In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix errors or issues related to Chapaa app. You may want to troubleshoot your app if you are experiencing lag, or the app isn't opening or taking too long to open, or it keeps on crashing. We have quite a number of methods we shall use to be able to solve this issue with Chapaa Loan app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, in the first method, we are going to access the app info page. To do this, go ahead and long press on your app and then just tap on app info option, which is the second one here. Now for this tutorial, I'm on an Android smartphone, so this process should be more or less the same for your case if you're also on Android. Now under app info, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data, and the clear data option is here. So if I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see we have quite a number of cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this problem, you need to go ahead and clear the cache data by just tapping down here, clear data, and choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. And as you can see, and this will clear the cache data. From here, restart your smartphone, and then the app now should be functioning just as usual. However, should you find that you are still experiencing any challenge, then this time around again come back to app info, go to clear data, and this time around choose the first option, clear all data. Now this will go ahead and wipe all the app data, and for your account nothing will be lost, only that you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh with your credentials. So by using any of these methods, you should have solved all the issues related to your Chapaa Loan app. But should you still find a challenge with your app, then you need to go ahead and go to Google Play Store and find your app. So I'll go to my Google Play Store here, search for Chapaa Loan app, and you can see mine is here. Then look for any update if it is available and update your app to the latest version. Go ahead and now open your app. At this point now, everything should be okay with your Chapaa Loan app. But should you still experience any challenge, then it means that your app maybe contains a bug, and you need to go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh on your Android smartphone. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to fix any issue related to your Chapaa Loan app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.